What is going on YouTube? HD8 Guide here with another review video, this time about the fastest possible FOREX VPS hosting services. In this video, we will review them, focusing on different types of aspects that make them a good service and appropriate for Forex trading. Let's get on with the video, shall we? Number 1. ScalaHosting shines as a top-notch web hosting provider, offering a seamless and user-friendly experience for website owners of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or managing multiple websites, their intuitive interface simplifies the process, making it a breeze to navigate and manage your online presence. With a range of hosting options from shared plans to dedicated servers, ScalaHosting caters to the diverse needs and budgets, ensuring there is a perfect fit for every project. What sets them apart is their exceptional uptime performance, guaranteeing that your website remains online and accessible to visitors without interruption. And if you ever run into questions or issues, their responsive support team is there to lend a helping hand, ensuring you're never left stranded. For a hosting solution that is reliable, user-friendly, and backed by excellent support, ScalaHosting is the clear choice. Number 2. Kamatera Hosting stands out in the world of web hosting for its cutting-edge cloud infrastructure and unmatched scalability, making it a preferred choice for businesses of all sizes. Their innovative cloud platform is engineered for optimal performance and reliability, boasting a global network of data centers strategically positioned for lightning-fast access worldwide. What truly sets Kamatera apart is its extensive range of customizable cloud solutions, offering everything from virtual private servers to fully managed cloud services tailored to suit individual needs. With Kamatera, you have the flexibility to scale resources up or down effortlessly, ensuring your hosting environment adapts seamlessly to your evolving requirements. Moreover, their dedicated support team is available 24/7, ready to provide expert assistance and guidance whenever you need it, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free hosting experience. With Kamatera Hosting, you can rest assured that your online projects are in capable hands, backed by innovative technology and unparalleled scalability to fuel your business growth. Thanks for watching us, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and this way you support our channel to grow.